In November, Australia's monthly retail sales grew by 0.8%, falling short of the 1% forecast, but exceeding the previous month's 0.5%. Wilkinson, Canada's energy minister, dismissed Donald Trump's claim that the U.S. has no need for Canadian resources, calling it entirely inaccurate. He also warned that Canada might consider measures such as export taxes in response to potential U.S. trade actions. President Biden has canceled his planned trip to Italy to address ongoing wildfires in the Los Angeles region. Japan's annual growth in average cash earnings for November was reported at 3%, surpassing the forecast of 2.7% and the previous figure of 2.6%. The Japanese yen saw a slight uptick after the release of wage growth data, fueling speculation that the Bank of Japan might implement a short-term interest rate hike this month. Republican Senate leader Mitch McConnell criticized President Biden's policies on U.S. steel, arguing that Trump should take a contrasting approach to support the industry. President Biden is intensifying efforts to impose stricter limits on the export of artificial intelligence chips made by companies like NVIDIA and AMD. Donald Trump announced that he would not allow China to manage the Panama Canal. Trump expressed dissatisfaction with the current terms of using the Panama Canal and believes that the U.S. should renegotiate with Panama over the canal's usage terms. If no negotiation takes place, he has threatened that the U.S. might retake control of the canal. Trump also criticized the high tariffs for canal passage and emphasized that the transfer of control in 1999 was a gesture of cooperation, not a concession to other countries. The president of Panama has stated that the canal's sovereignty and the country's independence are non-negotiable.